Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting piece of tech, this 4K HD foldable mini drone. Right out of the box, it's ready to go, which is fantastic. No complicated assembly needed. Just charge the batteries and you're pretty much set for adventure. One of the first things you notice is its design. It's incredibly compact thanks to its foldable arms. This makes it super easy to pack up and take with you anywhere, whether you're heading to the park or going on a trip. It doesn't take up much space at all, which is a huge plus for portability. Now, let's talk about the camera. This drone boasts some impressive claims with 4K UHD video capture and an 8K HD camera for photos. It also captures effective still photos at 12 megapixels. This means you should be able to get some really clear and detailed aerial shots and videos from up high. Imagine capturing stunning landscapes or dynamic action shots from a unique perspective. A standout feature, especially for anyone new to flying drones, is the advanced obstacle avoidance system. This is a game changer for safety. The drone is designed to sense obstacles in its path and automatically navigate around them. This significantly reduces the risk of crashes, making the flying experience much less stressful and more enjoyable, particularly for beginners. It gives you that extra layer of confidence while you're learning the ropes or flying in slightly more complex environments. Underneath, it's equipped with brushless motors. These aren't just fancy words. They mean more efficient power delivery, quieter operation compared to brush motors, and generally a longer lifespan for the drone's propulsion system. This contributes to a smoother and more reliable flight performance. It's also designed with beginners in mind, being very user-friendly. It's app-controlled, which is standard these days, allowing you to see what the drone sees and control its movements directly from your smartphone. The package comes with 2 batteries, which is great because it extends your flight time significantly before needing to recharge. Long battery life is listed as a special feature, and having a spare battery doubles the fun you can have in one outing. The drone itself is a clean white color. It's positioned as suitable for adults, likely due to the technology and features involved. Overall, this foldable mini drone seems to pack a lot of features into a small package, aiming to provide a safe, portable, and capable aerial photography and videography experience, especially appealing to those just starting out or looking for a convenient travel drone.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.